If you want to point an external domain in Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can connect a domain that was registered somewhere else and use it with your Bluehost website. This is really helpful if you already bought your domain from another provider and now want to connect it to your Bluehost hosting. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. From there, click Manage Site for the website you want to connect the domain to. This is the area where Bluehost lets you manage the settings for your hosted website, so make sure you're working on the correct site before moving forward. Now that you're in the site management area, go to the Overview tab. In the Overview section, you should see an option called Connect Domain. Click that to begin the domain connection process. Bluehost will then ask how you want to connect your domain, and this is where you need to choose the option for an external domain. Next, select User Domain Not Listed. This option is important because it tells Bluehost that your domain is not already inside their system and that you want to bring in a domain from another registrar. After that, choose Connect External Domain. This is the option that starts the setup for pointing a domain that you own elsewhere to your Bluehost site. At this point, enter your external domain name into the field provided. Make sure you type it correctly, including the main domain name, so there are no mistakes. Once you've entered it, click Submit. Bluehost will then begin the connection process and prepare the next steps for linking that domain to your website. After submitting the domain, click Connect to Website. This tells Bluehost that you want to attach the domain to the site you selected earlier. Depending on the domain provider, Bluehost may offer automatic DNS setup. If that happens, follow the prompts carefully because this can make the process much faster and easier. If Bluehost asks you to choose your domain provider, select the correct company where your domain is registered. In some cases, it may ask you to sign in to that provider's account. If that happens, go ahead and log in when prompted, so Bluehost can verify the connection. After logging in, authorize the connection and allow the setup to continue. This permission is what lets Bluehost communicate with your domain registrar and finish the configuration. Once the connection is processing, let it complete fully. Don't close the page too early, and make sure all prompts are finished before moving on. After Bluehost confirms that the domain is connected, click Complete Setup. That final step helps finish the setup and applies the connection to your website. And that's it. Your external domain should now be connected to Bluehost. If everything was done correctly, your domain will point to your Bluehost website and be ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.